Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to be upgrading the ETU600 firmware on an ACB air circuit breaker, the 3WA. Now this is performed similar to other Sentron devices via a free software called Power Config. Today we're using version 3.30, which is the latest one, but we do upgrade it every 6 to 12 months and each one is offered with new features, so do try and use the latest one. So once we've opened up, we need to pull the device into the project, so we need to search for it. I'm connected via USB-C, so I'll go to the USB interface and hit search. And there we have it, it's popped up. So we need to click on the device and then load it to the PC. What this will do is it'll bring it within the hierarchy and it'll upload all the parameters in that device. Okay, once that's complete, we're able to go into the device. We can right click over here, go into device and upgrade the firmware. So I've already previously downloaded this from the mall. Okay, that's now completed. We'll press OK. So if we go online to the device, we can now see that we are in version 4. So another way to find out what firmware version are available, we can go to a page called SENTRON Firmware. So all the Sentron devices are posted here, and we will see that is the 3WA and the latest version is 4. So from this link we'll open up a new page where we're able to download the new firmware from.